Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss geek for geek practice problem, that is missing number in an array. So basically the problem statement is we have given an array of size n minus 1 and range from 1 to n, and we have to find the missing element. You can see the example, n is equal to 5 and array element is 1 2 3 5, and here the missing element is 4. In the second example, the n value is 10 and the missing array here is 9, and we have to solve this in the time complexity of order of n and the space complexity of order of 1. And you can see the company tax, it is asked in the is multiple company. So let's see the approach of our problem. So let's see our approach. Our approach is, since the number is given 5, we have to increment our number, that is we have to increment our number, and that is equal to 6. And then we have to find the sum of n natural number, that is n into n plus 1 by 2, that is 6 into 5 by 2, that is equal to 15. Here is the sum of n natural number, and after that we have to find the sum of elements in an array, that is 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 11. And we have to find the difference between these two. The difference between these two is 15 minus 11, that is 4. And we have to print this, and here it is given the answer as 4. So let's move on to our coding part. So first of all, we have to import our file as import java.util.star, and after that we have to take a scanner class for taking input from the user. As a scanner, sc is equal to new scanner system.in. Here we import our scanner class, scanner system.in, and after that we have to take a number from the user, that is as int n is equal to sc dot next int, and after that we have to take an array, that is arr is equal to new int of end, and after that we have to take our array input from the user for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, arr of I is equal to sc dot next int. Here we are taking the input from the user, and after that we have to declare a variable as int m is equal to n plus 1, as we have discussed in the approach, and declare another variable sum as 0. And after it we have to find the sum of a natural number, as int sum1 is equal to m into m plus 1 divided by 2. And after that we have to find the sum of all the elements in the array, as int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and find sum is equal to sum plus array of I. And after that I declare another variable as int result is equal to 0, that will store the result, and result is equal to sum 1 minus sum, and simply we have to print our result. So let's run the problem, and here we have to take n as 5 and array as 1 2 3 and 5, n as 5 and array as 1 2 3 and 5. The answer is 4. So guys, this is for it from our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, post it in the comment section, and if you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it.